So guys, welcome back again. Done with Subar Press out here with another video on the farm today. So here today, I do some spraying and I do some cutting as well. So you don't know anything, like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell a friend about the channel. So this is how we are doing today.
Yeah, we're out here. And yes, that's pressa. Tree at fall, tree at fall, tree at fall. Yes. Yes, that's pressa. Miss Weber there. Daddy over there. Yeah, the whole family out. Yes, man. Pressa big man for the farmer now. Pressa start up back. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We out here. Everything must go down. The Father Weber there. Big up yourself, Father Weber. Now leave out the youth there. Yeah, man. So yes, the farm there. Yes. Yes, guys, everything. The whole property is going to clean up. Yeah. We are preparing the land. Tractor supposed to come tomorrow, so we are doing the necessary preparation for the tractor to go through the field. Yeah, and the big man over here is a pressa as usual. You know, he helpful on the farm. Yeah, man, family man, big up him. So Miss Weber there, love give instruction. Yeah.
Me work too, no so. My finger cut.
I press a pretty sister that. Yeah. See the work. See work at your presser. Yeah, man. Man, so land preparation we are deal with. Land preparation. Father Weber out as usual. Hard working man. In our Weber bloodline, they work hard. And I can't lady that, you know. Yeah, man. We are come out. So no look out for us, man. Look out for everything. Yeah. No go end up on the way with us. Yeah. From land preparation straight to harvesting. See man ready for use back the power saw, yeah? Yeah, man. One presser done. Never two. Yeah, people, I'm not left on the outside. Every step I wear, I can, you know. Yeah, man, when you see this video, you better like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. She just a laugh after me, so like, me don't know me I say. Yeah, man. Viral, this one I have to go. The one I got epic. Yeah, man. Land preparation, everything. Yeah, man, we still a clear power saw they go and run. Cutlass man run there, so clear her up there. So everybody hands and heart together. So everything I will get done today. So today is Sunday and with the panic. Same way. Yeah, man. Everybody at work. Everybody in a work. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. The sun is hot and we're working here. And you know that feed the nation is important. There's no substitute for food. Yeah. That's Father Web over there using the machete as usual, clearing the land. Yeah. Yeah, man. Father Web they go on with himself. Mr. Bagwan, hold on now, hold on. Let me give people them a live report me I do, you know. No pianka something me I put out there. Because the one I go viral, the one I go epic, yeah. Like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, yeah. And tell us what crop you think us should put in the field because we want to know, we want to hear from you guys, yeah. What crop? So we're thinking about corn. We're thinking about watermelon and carrot. Let us know what you think we should plant. Yeah. Yeah.
With the videographer here, guys.
Yeah.
She there behind the camera. I make up here nice.
Me I work, guys. Me I sweat today. Sweat. Yeah, man. I may go carry them about this one now. Yeah.
You alone can't manage it. Watch out. You're strong.
Better than Joshua, guys. Joshua said we said that.
Yeah, Joshua can do it, but you can do it better.
Yeah.
Pressa call you.
Pressa they call the video lady. Me I go on there now. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, I'm going around, guys. Yeah. Alright, back at it again. Yes, guys, the tree is falling. It's falling. So yeah, guys. I have to watch out. I don't know which direction. Yeah. Yes, guys, we're at it. So we're gonna clear this whole parcel of land around here. Everything we're gonna clear, yeah? You guys will see the finishing product, yeah? Stay tuned. The boss lady up there, so as usual. Yes. So this time, Pressa try expand the farm and go bigger and better. You understand me? Every year we have to go bigger and better. So you know that go. Like up the video, share it, subscribe, leave a comment, yeah. And father Web over there, so as usual, you know, he not left his kids them, he always involved, yeah man. Yeah man, mommy would be proud of Pressa, you understand, yeah man. They just a skin our teeth, so. Yeah, man, everybody at work, guys. Everybody at work, guys. Everybody at work. Yeah. Yes, guys, I can't get a lot of this video in. Yes. Every step of the way, I'm taking you guys with us on the journey. On this journey, yes. This new journey, yes. We are extending the farm, yes. So we're doing a lot of cutting, yes. So we have all these 3 branches and debris to clear, yeah. We have everything to clear. It's a lot of work, my people, a lot of work. And you see the weather, the sun is very, very hot, but we got to do what we got to do, yeah. Yes, my people.
So guys, Daddy shot me a saw.
So get dull for me, guys, so you don't know. Okay. Sharp, you see? You know what you can do, guys, is, like up the video. And tell a friend about the channel, so press a lifestyle can grow, you see? Channel can grow. So guys, just stay tuned and watch out.
Yeah, people. That's pressure cutting up the lumber. I'm telling you, pressure the rest. Pressure lifestyle don't know what to say, man. He's just working. Yeah. He's a pressure. Danny. As we telling you, say, if it's fire, you don't get some. Yeah. Yeah, the farm here don't get some. Come up there, come on. And guys, look at the view, look at the view.
So guys, the piece of board here, from when the salmon are cut, him did say piece of nail in there. So him did leave it. But Pressa managed to get out the piece of metal with it in there, so him a cut up some lumber. See that, guys, we get so 5 pieces. Lovely Spanish LM.
So guys, you see what I'm going? The first time cutting board like this, you know. Normally when I do, I just like cut down tree and cut up. But the first time actually I cut board. Okay.
Nice. Not
Me do good for your first time.
not so bad for your first try.
First time. And so I don't know if you could do, guys. Like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yep. Daddy's still down in the bush there. Still at work. So we'll try to get some things out of the way for when the tractor man come tomorrow. Him not have no obstacles, him just get a free flow. So we take up them sawdust there and clear out them stick there. I remember the coconut tree them we press the plant. The goat, why goat them? Goat bite down the one there. One down there, so no look so bad. But we have to go dig them out tomorrow because the tractor will come. We have to, and them will come up nice, you know. So we have to go take them out. So when the tractor come, you know, plow it up too. So well, here, so we are going to put corn and melon. That we have in mind. Daddy will come up and get cane and banana. Ma loose out the goat tangle up. Tired no pressa? Are you hungry? See the camera lady here, guys. She burn out. Burn right out. She have a feast.
Show them the mango tree. This guy pick up mango. Go drink little water now.
See the mango alright, guys. Yes? What's that? So, mango. The kids, they're having a feast. Mango. That one, the butter. Okay, that one. Oh, this verse. Well, pick up that one there. It's one nice one here. Nice mango, guys. have to wash off them here and eat them.
Yeah. Pressa work never done that people. Yeah. Kiki the bloody put in the stuff then. Yeah. Kids them now left for Pressa same way. They all like kids them. Their own Pressa. When I'm not school there, the kids them they follow Pressa. Yeah man, see down there. Pressa lifestyle, that I go on. Pressa they secure in lumber them for future if you make furniture in a little thing. Yeah man. That is it.
Yeah, man, that is it, guys. You know the thing come now. Subscribe to Pressa Lifestyle channel.
Comment, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, people, the Weber them are hardworking people, you know, the work never stop. Me I tell you no. Boy, me I tell you, from morning we out here without fear. Yeah. See man I out there suppress our lifestyle. Big him up, big him up. See Father Weber there, big up yourself. Sister Weber, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we are good on to the nitty gritty item now. We just leap up the light, another fire now. Yeah, people. Yeah, people. And you see nice view where we have up here, so people, let me zoom it here, I can see. Straight out of sea that way I look. Yeah, man. View nice. Can't show no good. But it's a nice view, people. Yeah, man. See there? See right out of water there. Yeah, man. So you know, say farm in a good location, everything, sea breeze, everything. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we out here without fear. So tomorrow when the tractor man come, I don't know how we going to stay. We're going to update our go on with the tractor man, yeah, man. Because every step of the way we are taking with this journey, you know, from land preparation, right up to planting, right up to harvesting. So see, you don't see where we are come from, we are tired with them eat there. Right out there, so we are come from this morning, remember? Alright, and see next eat yesterday. Out there, so we are come from this morning now. And plus we stump all of them they treated this morning, people. Yeah, man. Whole heap of work. Yeah, man. See view nice out there still. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is the best we can do. You understand me? Yeah, man. When you no sponsor press our nice phone, you no get every view no one. Yeah, man. Yeah. When one make new phone, you no sponsor. Yeah, man, when I nice subscriber them. I know no out there, no, I don't love Pressa content, but if you get some nice content with some nice picture, I don't do the right thing here. Alright. See man there, the over man.
Yeah, you hear what go on?
Yeah, man. Kids them now left out of Pressa car, you know, Jesus, another school there.
Ever in a magic school bus.
Yeah, man. Say something, Mr. Weber, to the people them. Say something. See tree there. Father Weber that you know. Yeah man, so me I show you mango them on the tree. Show them how we do it. We get it done here, Uncle Babs. No, you're not sure. Watch him in this one, go side Uncle Babs. He's not fancy, man. Yeah, man, I want big happy family that. You understand me? Yeah, man. Pressa lifestyle family. Just a little bit left. You understand me? And Shanice, I go take them off. And she may I wait pan. And then we light the fire. Yeah, Pressa there. So I feel it with us. Pressa, I go blaze it up and now. I go blaze it up and now. I catch going to fire up on a separate video. Yeah. People Pressa still at it. They look something to do again. Yeah man. Pressa still at it.
I just thought next to you.
Good evening, good afternoon.
Pressa still at it.
Yeah man, nah done.
Today is Sunday, no people, family day and work day. Pressa they start up back in farm and things, so I'm going to get an update, a weekly update. Or I don't know I'm going to get it, but look out. Some good stuff will come over Pressa Lifestyle, so check it out. Who not subscribe, run go subscribe, you know, because we know I not miss you know. Yeah man. So people, you see someone on there so too. Yeah. We are going to light one fire light that up here again. Yeah. Yeah. As me telling about the nice view over there, so. Yeah. Nice view. Yeah. Yes, people, view nice. Yes, people, right, that's the Pressa there. The Pressa there. So as me tell you now, the tractor man are going to come tomorrow. So we are prepare the land for the tractor. That's the tractor not buck up in and no debris or nothing for obstruct him and do the maximum work. So we are doing what we can do from today. So tomorrow when the tractor man come in, we know we get a full understanding of what's going on. We are start up back a little farm. Yeah man.
Daddy.
No, mate.
Yeah, people, we take a little break, you know. Me not didn't remember to video the food when they come.
Then we have a brunch or a lunch or a breakfast, but we get it on the farm.
Yeah.
We got more video.
We got so for me tea, I drink, Pressa drink coffee, clean, not remember to video it.
Then we get to me and my cup.
Shanice get fear in her fear, because she's a princess, you know, she get fear in her nice green cup with sheep on it. And father Weber over here, so same way with film. See, I get potato put or chicken bun in it. He get filmed in early in peace like Sunday dinner and get ready. Yeah. And he having tea and he nice potato put where Shanice bake yesterday. Yeah, people. Yeah. And Pressa gone over there so as he get a little stamina and gone light fire. It's not easy, no people. As he drink a little tea and bust the gas. Press a gun light fire. Press have the gas in the hand there again. Watch the one that people. The one that gonna be epic. Look there, watch the people. Watch the people. Alright. Look out for the one that people. Alright.
Jimmy.
Make sure zoom this one a phone in the people and not normal. Watch the people. Watch the people. You see that? What the fire, 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 fire.
More fire.
Keep put on a go on so today no.
I sent me where we come from.
Tell them. And we are going grazing tomorrow, go watch. Keep put on the fire, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Great things in store from Pressa Lifestyle. Because guess what? The farm I go up and running, you know. Tomorrow the tractor man are coming, as me telling the people. Listen, look out, watch out, please subscribe, you know, people. Because what? As the video drop, make sure you get a notification and head to Pressa Lifestyle. Yeah, we out here without fear. Yeah, man. The man there. Lady Weber full, they ain't right to feed with last, you know, they ain't right to feed with them at time. Because nigga right is a coming and all, yeah? Yeah, people. Yeah, man, farm life nice sometime, you know. Just kick back with your family and do your little thing, yeah, man. Everybody out here without fear. See my rest of tea, I'm up drink coffee. Everybody done for them clean. Little left in my cup, people. I finish drinking. Yeah, man. Pressa, show them, make people them see the video, man. Pressa, show the people them the video, man. Yeah, man. We out here without fear, yeah. Yeah, people. I do my tea. Yeah, man. Watch out. Watch out, people. Me I tell you no. And I know normal come out of this farm. Every week we go and get a vlog, yeah? Me I try to come every week to spice up the video same way and keep it going same way, people. Because the farmer start up and running, our sponsors can come start running more, people. You know what I think already? Yeah, man. And I see some of my great YouTubers in my past through and they check up on Pressa Lifestyle. If you see where Pressa Lifestyle are going. The great bud there, the baker, and the great socks there. Yeah, man. Aye.
Yeah, man. Red rice and cook. Press them.
Yeah. Up there, so.
And you pick up with the cold stove yours
Not say 39.
peas and socks fried chicken.
Well, we don't cook food every show.
Yeah, come fried chicken now.
Two. Chicken over here, up already.
But
Come back here, so.
Come back, man. Super.
see socks gone.
No, tomorrow around.
Yeah,
Then
man.
I your shop.
See village liar, yeah, walk in a door. I village. See Jimmy, big up yourself. Pressa Lifestyle out here without fear. Why not the window the video? I miss the son, this is not the great mistake of the cook. Yeah, man. Believe now? Believe. All right. I love the excitement, you know, people. We telling you some great things that come out of Pressa Lifestyle. You know, stay tuned, you know. All right. We out here without fear. See village liar, same speed. Yeah, people, I can't stop showing the beauty of the view that we have up here, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And time to come in, people. We're going to have a little farm tour, you know, and a contour, we're going to Pressa farm, you know. We're going to have that in store for you, man. And come pick on a mango, on a jelly, on a banana. We're going to have that here, the cane over there. So Pressa have great things in store for you. So stay tuned, yeah? Say something. Believe.
Just tell me when you know want to come, so we know so we put on a pot that day there, we can get the team, everybody come together, we put on a pot and tour the farm. When reaping time, everybody come.
Jelly, we have ackee, we have everything. Yeah.
Eat melon, everything.
We have great things in store for you. So no just believe no and see what they come. Just subscribe. Alright. The work never stops. The pressure here and maintain the power saw. Yeah. Yeah. Chainsaw. Yeah. Pressure the maintain the. Yeah man.
Tired.
We tired. You see over there so it's full of heap and we move it and blaze up the fire again and keep it on again. Yeah people. Farming is not for the weak people, may I tell you. Yeah man people, blaze up the thing, I sent me where we come from, you know. Cape Town. Where Cape Town session is more fire.
Where we come from, if you don't know what? Light up at Islington.
The more fire.
More fire, more fire, more fire.
President, tell me a last you take on the day. Give me an update and
Wonderful day today, Pete. We accomplished a lot. So, just I'm going to wait on tomorrow today. Tractor man coming.
we fire the people, not normal. We can't be that now, you know. So need put on your bonnet, too much it not fly. The heat, turn up people. Pressure, what are your last few words on the video now? Because we are close off now, you know.
Man, just do the right thing, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you don't know, day was good today. No rain, hot sunshine we have today. And, yeah, man, have a nice clear day.
We have sprayed on the place and it's like you never rain.
Uncle Babs, give me a last few take on the day and how today
It was a
went.
wonderful day. We have accomplished a lot today. Getting ourselves together and do what we have to do. Make the preparation for tractor to come in and load the sky. And then we can start preparing and putting our grain.
So we see from then.
And putting our grain.
So we see set up the irrigation. Yeah, Pete.
Yeah, people, now you hear it from the Weber family. And just see fire the people. You see, if you can't stand the heat, come out of the kitchen. Yeah, people. It was a beautiful day, man. Watch the people. Blaze it up, blaze it up, blaze it up. Yeah, man. Yes, people, hear it from the Webers. Yeah. And I don't know if you do nothing now, you know, like, share, subscribe, comment, and yes, people, big up, and thanks. See, big man, yeah, me have to close off with him. You know, say my man at the hour same way. One pressure lifestyle, yeah. That is it. We are out.